honesty would throw me a line. It took me by surprise, but I don't mind anymore. I'm wrestling with graceful poison, straining just to hear your voice in the noise. Won't you close to me, close to me, close to me, oh, close to me. When I don't have the words to
Ngunyan aldaw, manunumpak ka, nakamumutan mo si Maylab sa bilog mong puso, bilog mong kusog, bilog mong buhay. And Maylab, manunuga ka man sa mga oras na ini, nakamumutan mo si Gabriel sa bilog mong puso, bilog mong buhay, bilog mong kusog. Love one another.
Liligaw pa lang siya kasi persistent to the point na both of us kasi that time just came out of a previous relationship, and yun nga, hindi naman kasi madali, lalo ako, hindi ako madaling ligawan. And yun, I think for me that was the most memorable, yung pagiging porsigido sa Tagalog. And yun lang, hindi kasi siya, ilang beses ko siyang sinabihan na tama na, or ilang beses ko siyang tinulak palayo, but then he keeps on coming back. So I think that for me is the most memorable.
Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y ba iikutin ng dahan-dahan sa gitna man ng daan.
Pag-graduate ko sa training, pumunta talaga siya doon sa graduation kasi that time pandemic, bawal ang bisita. Pero nag-announce pa rin yung admin namin na one person makakapasok. Tapos doon sa gate, tigbawalan na pumasok, si Maylab nakipag-usap doon sa kabilang gate, nakapasok siya. Doon na-surprise ako kasi alam kong malayo yung pupuntahan ko, yung destination ko sa Caguanes. Tapos nag-report talaga siya na pumunta doon at mabilad, magutom, at nagkita kami doon. Doon talaga hindi ko I love you very much. Alam mo yan. Tapos, tiwala sa na-pray tayo kay God. Lahat maging ayos. Nasa plano natin lahat. May, I love you. See you later.
Sa gitna man ng daan.
For Gab, continue what you're doing. Be who you are. The first time I met you, and I think the consistency is already there. The understanding is already there. His patience is already there. I think, ano na lang, continuity of kung ano man yung nasimula naming dalawa. I love you and I hope to see you in white. See you later. We can do this. Kaya natin to.
Could you show